In a medieval monastery, the day begins at 2 a.m. Monks pray 8 times a day and spend their time working and studying. This morning, Brother Andrew is in the workshop, building a new table for the refectory. The cold December wind seeps through the cracks, and he works by candlelight, his fingers numb from the chill. Finally, the bell rings for breakfast. Brother Andrew heads to the refectory, passing villagers seeking food and medicine from the monks. Inside, the warm smell of fresh bread fills the room. At breakfast, the monks eat in silence, listening to scripture. But Brother Andrew can't resist a whisper to his fellow monk about the rowdy students in the monastery school. After breakfast, Brother Andrew returns to his workshop. He finishes his table, and with a small act of pride, secretly carves Andrew his work on the underside, hoping someone will one day see his craftsmanship.